Hey friends, it's Josh here at Swift Home Mortgage, and today's realtor tip that I want to talk about is going to be around recasting. Now, what is a recast and how do you apply it to a mortgage or to your client situation? So what a recast is, in short, is you have a large mortgage. Let's say that you take out a mortgage for $300,000. You come into $100,000 somewhere else with cash and you decide that you want to pay your mortgage down and down to 200,000. So you want to apply that 100 to the 300, pay it down, and then what you can do is recast the amortization and set your loan up on that $200,000 principal balance instead of the $300,000 principal balance. Now, it doesn't change your maturity date, it doesn't change the interest rate, any other terms of the loan. All it does is re-amortize that principal balance to lower your payments. You could also drop PMI in this instance too if you have PMI attached to that first mortgage. What a client could do in this situation is they have an old house for sale that they're moving out of, but they can't close and sell that house fast enough to close on a new house that they're buying. What this allows them to do is put a small down payment, a minimum down payment on the new house, let's say 3% down or 5% down, and then they're gonna take another 40% when they sell their old house. They can take that money, apply it to their new loan, and then recast the mortgage, get rid of PMI, lower the payment, and get themselves set up with a good equity position for the future, and they don't have to refinance. That's the biggest goal here, is you don't have to pay all those closing costs, which can be about 2% roughly, give or take, of the entire mortgage balance. You don't have to pay that in a refi. You can do that recast, lower it, re-amortize, lower the payment. Everybody wins in the end. Now, a commonly used strategy for this is someone who needs to get a bridge loan, or they want to sell that old house and they want to put 50% down on the new house. Might not be possible to do. They might not qualify with the old loan, the new loan, and the bridge loan. So, those are different things to think about. Another thing to be said, this is only for conventional loans. It can't be done on government loans. You have to do a full refinance to apply and get a lower payment on govies. So it's only going to be for conventional, but it's a very common practice, and you should really understand the mechanics behind it. So if you ever run into this situation where someone is selling and buying and they want to pull something like this off, know that it is an option. A recast can take a couple weeks for it to actually get done at the servicer. So it's a written request. It's not just where you call in to make a payment and say, hey, can you do this for me? It takes a little bit more time. There's a little bit more process involved. Depending on the servicer, it can run between $200 and $400 as the fee to get this done, because it's not just a daily servicing type activity. So it does take a little bit of effort, but our clients do it a lot. They have success with it, and it's a great strategy to know about and be aware of as a realtor as you're negotiating and helping your clients to succeed. If you have any questions about this at all, I'd love to talk to you about it. You know how to reach me. Hope you have a great week. Talk to you soon.